Hi, I'm Kiki.
Hi, I'm Camilla.
We're from FacePaintcom and we're doing a Minnie Mouse face painting design. So we're going to start by making the bow for Minnie Mouse. I'm going to take some pink and a flat brush, and I'm going to create a bow right here. So it's kind of like curved. And then same thing on the other side. Like a bow shape. And then a smaller, the same shape, but a little smaller right below it. Like that. Then Minnie Mouse has a little circle in the middle. So I'm just making this circle right here in the middle. Okay, and that's step one for the bow. So for the second step, we're gonna make Minnie Mouse's ears. So I'm taking some black. I'm gonna start off with a smaller brush just to sort of outline it, and then we'll go in with a bigger brush to fill it in. Just making 2 circles on either side of this bow. I'm gonna make a V right here. And that's just like the little V Minnie Mouse has on her forehead. And then I'm gonna outline the other ear. Has like a little line right here, so it looks like she's wearing a little Minnie Mouse hat, which is really cute. So it just goes like that. And then I'm just gonna go in and outline the bow. Okay, and that's step 2. And so for the last step, we're gonna make polka dots on Minnie Mouse. So I'm just taking some white and a smaller medium-sized brush, and I'm just gonna give her little polka dots. And then I'm just gonna give her some kind of lipstick. Okay, and then we're just gonna do some sparkles. Just gonna make this area a little bit wetter so the sparkles stay on. It looks really pretty with the sparkles. Also on white, sparkles always look really good on white. That's a good tip. And on your lips, do you want sparkles on your lips? Pretty, okay, and there you go, that's the Minnie Mouse design. Thanks so much for watching. All of the products are linked in the description box below.
And don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.